Hey, happy hump day, Wednesday. Anyway, I'm just so excited to have received this in the mail today that I just wanted to share. Because basically, I did not expect how big these dies are. These are the party alphabet dies and the banners. And so let me just, this is probably going to be like an unboxing. And let's open this up because it's just huge. I just had no idea how huge this is. And so I wanted to just share this with you. Okay, let's see. So this is the party banners. My goodness, look at that. These are huge, guys. I mean, this is my hand. So just as a frame of reference, the birthday celebration dies, which is another one of my favorite dies. This is the banner that's in there, okay? So look at it. So this party dies is definitely huge. You can really make something out of it. You can definitely decorate a party with it. Another frame of reference is the Nested Essentials. I know a lot of us use that for banners. And the largest banner is this. Again, wow. Anyway, so I'm just excited to finally get this because I am going to make something with this. Actually, not this particular one, but the alphabet. So let's look at the alphabets. It is huge. It's one of the things that I've been wanting is a nice set of dies, alphabet dies that is substantial enough. And let's look at this. Whoa, humongous. Again, as a frame of reference, I know it's not fair because Alphabet a la Mode is a very small set, but look at this. No comparison. So if you're looking for things to make an impression or you're looking for decor purposes, this is it. And you know what? If you have kiddos at home, those science projects where you need to make, what do you call those things? Those poster boards. This is it, guys. You must need this. So science projects, definitely. Anyway, so that's all. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.